let her sing it?
Hello. Hello, Kiva. Hello, Kiva. Hello, Kiva. Hello, today. Hello, Spoony. Hello, Spoony. Hello, Spoony. Hello, today. Hello, pumpkin. Hello, pumpkin. Hello, pumpkin. How are you today? Hello, pumpkin.
Well, hello, Miss Heather. Can you sing hello, Miss Heather?
Hello, Miss Heather. Hello, Miss Heather. Hello, Miss Heather. How are you today? How are you? How are you today?
Rosemary, how about yourself?
How are Minnie Mouse? How are Minnie Mouse? Hello. Boy, how are you today?
All right.
Hello, Rosemary. Hello, Rosemary. How are you today? No. It's Rosemary. Hello,
Yeah, can you
Amy.
sing that, Rosemary?
Hello, Amy. Hello, Amy. How are you today?
Can you sing that, Rosemary? Hello, Rosemary.
Hello, Rosemary. Hello, Rosemary. Hello, Rosemary. How are you today?
Yeah,
Now it's finished.
She just started singing this when I put her to bed, so I just thought I'd
Now I'm
film it.
finished.
It must be what she was singing in school today.
Can I have